We just noticed there are 2 eggs. I wanted to tell you this as soon as I saw. I am so excited. How are you doing? Do you want to tell us anything? They're a little more nervous than usual. So, if there's any more updates, we will tell you straight away, just like this time. I am so excited about these guys. I don't want to scare them, so I'm not getting the camera too close. So, bye guys.